Hi, this is Jeannie, and today I'm going to make a small arrangement for my desk. I picked up a ceramic little flower pot at Walmart. It was about $5, and I filled it with styrofoam. And I just used bits and pieces. And I picked up this orchid. Now, it has a proper name, but I'm not sure what it is, and I don't think I can pronounce it. But anyway, it's what I call an orchid. This came from Trendy Tree, and it's a long stem, and they have these in white and pink. They had more white than they did pink, so I got the white. And then I needed some leaves to go around the bottom, and they're not organically, that's not the right word. I was going to say anatomically correct, probably, for an orchid. I think their leaves are more broad and waxy, but I had to make do because this stem doesn't have any leaves on it. It's a very realistic looking stem, but there's no leaves. So I found these in my closet in there of extra flowers and things, and I took them off, and I needed a way to make them fix a stem for them to stick down, you know, in the flowers. So I took a piece of plastic off of another bush that I can just thread down through there so that I can stick it in the styrofoam. So I made a couple of those. And anyway, so there we are. So we'll get started. And I know this is a geranium leaf, so you know, I know it's not right, but anyway, it is what it is. And I picked up some moss from Walmart, and I have some of those little, what I call T-pins. I don't know what florists call them, but I wasn't going to use any hot glue because I'm just making this for me. And when I do that, I tend to just, you know, make do with, you know, what I've got, because chances are in a few months I may take this apart and do something else. So I'm going to take some of this moss and spread it around just to cover up the styrofoam, and I'm just going to use a pick here and there to hold it in well. Now, like I said, you could use hot glue, and what you could do instead of using those silver picks is make a pick out of the green floral wire. I had to have some floral wire, so I picked up some while I was in there. This is a pretty fine wire. It may be a little bit fine to make a pick out of. It may be too flimsy to stick down in the styrofoam, but that way, you know, it won't show at all. Okay, that'll work. See, that looks better than the silver one. We'll take the silver one out and use it for something else another time. So let me make a couple of those. Just use some wire cutters and just cut that into a couple of little pieces. They don't have to be very long to hold the moss. You won't take all of it. I'm just going to put some around. It's messy, so that's okay. I know it's going to be messy. We went to Biltmore a few weeks ago, and in their greenhouse, they had the most beautiful orchids I had ever seen. That made me think about this project when I was in there. I've had orchids like this before, real ones, that were so pretty, and they actually last a good while. That wire is just about too slender to go in there. Let me see if I have some more floral wire. I should have stocked up on some other things while I was in there, but this will make do. Okay, and I'm not going to cut this stem off because that's kind of how they stand up pretty tall. So I'm just going to that down as far as I go. Kind of lean that over a little bit. And that's just the way they kind of do in the vases. Take that tag off. I do want it to stand up straight. And then I'm going to take my leaves and just kind of put those around the base. This is going to be a really, really simple arrangement. That's pretty much it. Okay. Now I have this little twig. It's called a sprout leaf, and I'm just, like I say, this is not something that necessarily goes with an orchid, but you know, I'm just going to add a little something else to it just to give it a little more texture. This is all wired, and I'm just going to that down in there. It's got some little brown twiggy like stuff on it. I'll make this one a little shorter. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it just like that, and I'm going to put that on my desk. And like I said, you know, I didn't use any hot glue, so I decided to change it in a few weeks or whatever I can. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll give you the link to the orchid at Trendy Tree. And like I say, the other color is a real dark rosy pink color. Thanks for watching.